Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am excited to share with you an amazing tool that we have built using Microsoft Excel. As a successful project manager, I understand the importance of planning and tracking project deliverables, and this tool has been invaluable in helping me achieve success. So whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting out, I am confident that this tool will be a game changer for you. So let's dive in and see how it works. Are you looking for a project management tool that can streamline your work and help you stay on top of your project deliverables? Look no further than this amazing Excel template. With this template, you'll have access to automatic numbering functionality for all the items you add to the tracker, as well as the ability to categorize them by type. Plus, with the Array CI Matrix feature, you can easily assign responsibilities for each item, making it clear who is responsible for what. This tool also allows you to plan your project in stages, with each deliverable package having its own life cycle that you can track through various stages from 2 to maximum 7. And with the ability to manage start and end dates and track progress through color-coded temperature stages, you'll always be up to date on the status of your project. But that's not all. This Excel template also comes with a fantastic dashboard that gives you a real-time snapshot of your project's progress. So why wait? Download this template today and take your project management to the next level. Before you begin using the file, please make sure to enable the content. Once you have done that, let's take a look at the file structure. The file is divided into 4 main sections, each of which can be accessed using a button in the top menu. The dashboard section allows you to track the overall status of your project, while the deliverables section lets you manage document quantities, Array CI Matrix, and progress against planned stages. The configuration section is where you can add your team members, project dates, work streams, deliverable categories, and more. And finally, the file also includes an end-user license agreement. To make navigation and usage as easy as possible, the menu is the same across all pages. Let's begin by opening the template and enabling editing. Once you've done that, head over to the configuration area to get started. In the configuration section, you'll find several important values and functionalities. The project details section allows you to input the project name, start date, end date, and reference date. This information will be used throughout the tracker to help you stay on top of your project schedule. Next, you'll see the deliverables category section, where you can input up to 5 categories. This will help you organize your project deliverables and make it easier to track progress. After that, you'll find the project work streams and their codes. By default, the template counts the number of assigned team members per work stream, so be sure to input your team members in the team member section. In the project phases section, you can record up to 5 phases through which the deliverables will go through their life cycle. This will help you track the progress of each deliverable as it moves through the various stages of development. Finally, the document maturity stages table is perhaps the most important. Here, you can declare the stage names based on various percentages. The input in this table is used as the header in the deliverables tracker, so you can easily follow the real-time status of your project. We recommend starting with the configuration section as the first step, as this section forms the basis for the entire tracker. Once you've input all the necessary information, you'll be ready to start tracking your project deliverables with ease. The first column of the tracker is called ID and automatically assigns a unique number to each item added, updating in sequence as new items are added. The tracker allows for up to 50 item packages to be added. The phase column is used to assign the deliverables packages or categories to specific project phases. The category column offers a selection of values from the configuration area. In the description column, you can enter the names of the documents that are planned to be delivered. And the quantity column allows you to declare the number of documents that need to be ready by a certain deadline. The Array CI Matrix is used to assign responsibilities for each stakeholder, with designated roles for responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. The planning areas and deliverables tracking work together, with a correspondence between the stage and the percentage completed. The stage can be maintained in the configuration section. Let's get started with the planning section. Firstly, you'll notice that some of the cells are grayed out. These cells become inactive as a result of stage selection. Based on your selection, you may have a minimum of 2 stages, represented by start date and end date. In this case, it means you don't want to track multiple stages in the document lifecycle. And you can go up to 7 stages where you will have a very detailed tracking with status evolution through the document lifecycle. The same setup is reflected in the delivery tracking section. As a starting point, the only area you need to update is the start date and end date. The start date is the first column in the planning section, and it represents the first stage of the document, not started in this case. The last date, accepted in this case, represents the final milestone of the document. Once you have filled in the 2 dates, you should be able to observe that everything in between, if active cells, will be automatically calculated. When automatically calculated, the font will be marked in dark blue. You are able to adjust these dates as you prefer. But please note that they are related to the evolution lifecycle targeted in the delivery tracking section. If, by mistake, you update the end date to be earlier than the start date, you will immediately notice that the start date is marked in red. By default, the first column in delivery tracking will carry the target deliverables quantity numbers and will be automatically decreased once updates are made in all other stages. As the project evolves, you will be able to update the status of where the documents are using numbers. Now, the great functionality of this template. In reference to how late the documents are compared to the planned dates of stages, you will be able to immediately see a lighter or darker red color. If the documents are on time, then green is your favored color. Alright, now that we've learned how to manage the planning and execution of the deliverables, let's move on to the main event. Our dashboard. The dashboard boasts a simple layout, making it easy to track and identify the progress of the documents. It can be used for daily reporting, keeping everyone up to date and increasing transparency of progress. On the top left, you can easily see the number of days remaining until the planned final delivery. Directly underneath, we have the work stream selection, which enables us to easily view which work streams have assigned deliverables, how many deliverables, and their current status. You can select one or multiple work streams by holding down the control button. At the top, you will always find the project details, alongside all deliverables in various stages by numbers. On the right side, all team members are visible, and you can select one or more to see which deliverables are assigned to them and their current status. At the bottom of the dashboard, you can always select various deliverable packages based on their status or percentage of completion. The central point of the dashboard displays the statuses of the documents per work stream, including various selections made by the project manager. To set the scene for a typical workday, let us assume that the current objectives, task assignments, and deadlines are as follows. Moving on to the daily progress meeting with the team, as the project manager, you can effortlessly access the file, navigate to the tracker section, and update the status based on the workstream input. After completing the updates, you can refresh the dashboard and distribute it as the present status, which is straightforward and easy to understand. This way, everyone is aware of their responsibilities, and you can effectively manage and address any delays. Well, there you have it, folks. We've shown you how to effectively manage your project deliverables from planning to execution, and even provided you with a sleek and easy-to-use dashboard to keep everyone in the loop. We hope you found this information useful and insightful. But wait, there's more. If you're interested in getting your hands on this template and taking your project management skills to the next level, simply head over to the link in the video description to purchase it today. Thank you for joining us, and happy managing!